Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss about right angle triangle and Pythagoras property. After that we will discuss about last exercise of this chapter, exercise 6.5. So start our video with right angle triangle. As we discussed in our previous video that a right angle triangle is a triangle in which measurement of one of the angle is 90 degree. So if you have a triangle in which one of the angle of 90 degree, so this triangle is known as right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, side opposite to the right angle or 90 degree is known as hypotenuse. Other two sides are known as base and perpendicular. Now move to next topic, Pythagoras property. So this property is applied on right angle. So according to the Pythagoras property, square of hypotenuse is equal to square of perpendicular plus square of base. Now we will use this property for solving exercise 6.5. And first question of this exercise is PQR is a triangle which is right angled at P and measurement of the side PR and PQ are 24 cm and 10 cm respectively. Find the value of QR. First of all, we draw a triangle with the help of given information. So here you can see that PQR is a triangle in which angle P is of 90 degree measurement. Measurement of PR is 24 cm. Measurement of PQ is 10 cm. We have to find out the value of QR. Here QR is the hypotenuse of this triangle. As we all know that hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Now what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is QR, perpendicular is PQ and base is PR. So we write here PQ square is equal to QR square is equal to PQ square plus PR square. Now we are going to place values in this equation. It is given in the equation that value of PQ is 10 cm and value of PR is 20 cm. So we write here QR square is equal to PQ square plus PR square. Square of any number means we have to multiply that number by itself. So if we talking about the square of 10, it means 10 multiplied by 10. If we talking about square of 24, it means 24 multiplied by 24. Similarly, if we talking about square of 2, it means 2 multiplied by 2. Square of 3 means 3 multiplied by 3. Square of 4 means 4 multiplied by 4. In the same manner, we can easily find out the square of 10 and square of 24. Square of 10 is 100 and square of 24 is 576. We can easily calculate this by multiplying 24 by 24. After adding these two numbers, we have 676. We have to find out the value of QR. For this, we have to shift square from the left side to the right side, and as we move square from the left side to the right side, it converted into square root. So in the next line we have QR is equal to square root of 676. Now we have to calculate square root of 676. We can calculate square of 676 by prime factorization method. In this method we factorize our number using prime number. So first we factorize 676 by 2 and we have 338. Then we again divide it by 2 and we have 169. Then we divided it by 13 and we have 13, and again we divided it by 13. So factorization of 676 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 13 multiplied by 13. Now solving For solving square root, we have to making pair of two number. So we have 2 multiply by 2, it is the first pair, and 13 multiply by 13, it is the second pair. Now from each pair we take only one number. So in the first pair we take out 2, and in the second pair we take out 13. After multiplication we have 26, and 26 is the value of QR. It means hypotenuse of this triangle is 26 centimeter. Now move to second question, and second question of this exercise is ABC is a triangle right angle at C. If AB is equal to 25 centimeter, AC is equal to 7 centimeter, find out the value of BC. First of all, so here we have triangle ABC, which is right angle at C, and measurement of AC is 7 centimeter, measurement of AB is 25 centimeter, and we have to find out the value of BC. So it is clear from the question that hypotenuse of this triangle is 25 centimeter. We have to find out the base of this triangle, and perpendicular of this triangle is 7 centimeter. So we are going to apply here Pythagoras property. According to the Pythagoras property, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So now we have hypotenuse is AB square, base is BC square, and perpendicular is AC square. Our next step is we put all the values from the question. So AB is 25 centimeter, BC we have to find out the value of BC, and AC is 7 centimeter. First of all, we calculate square of 25. For this we have to multiply 25 by 25. After multiplication we have 625, it is the square of 25, and in the place of 7 square we have to multiply 7 by 7. So 7 multiplied by 7 is 49. For calculating value of BC, we shift 49 from the right side to the left side. So we have 625 minus 49 is equal to BC square. After subtracting, we have 576, and we have to calculate the value of BC. For this we have to calculate square root of 576 by prime factorization method. After factorize 576, we have 2 multiply by 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 3 and multiply by 3. Our next step is making pair from this factorization. So here we have 4 pair, and in the next step we are going to take out one number from the each pair. So from the first pair we have 2 multiply by, from the second pair we have 2, from the third pair we have 2, and from the fourth pair we have 3. After multiplication we have 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So value of BC is 24 centimeter.